Hello YouTube, and welcome to this fake eBay Lightning to micro USB adapter test run. We have all been there. When visiting friends, they say, we don't want an iPhone, we only have Android. No, you can't charge your phone here, we only have iPhone 4S. Well, the solution is eBay. And no, I'm not talking about carrying around a cable. I'm talking about the Lightning to micro USB adapter. And no, I'm not talking about the $20 Apple Store option. I'm talking about the $2 eBay option, as seen here. Glossy finish, and it sure looks like the real deal. But enough of that. Let's get to the point. Nice fit, and it sure doesn't feel flimsy at all. But the real question, will it charge? Yep, it sure will. And on that note, thanks for watching.